What's going on, you guys? I'm Nick,
I'm Taylor.
and together we make the Misfire Society. Today, we are at Martin Auto Museum in North Phoenix, where they have a ton of cool cars. We'll have some beat roll in there so you guys can check it out. But we're just here to introduce ourselves and what this channel is all about.
I mean, we're going to be all about old classic, whatever you're into, whatever we feel like, honestly.
Yeah.
They down here at Martin, they actually have all the old cars and new cars. So
Yeah.
whatever you're into.
And the cool thing is Taylor and I have two completely different flavors. So this channel will be focusing on a lot of old schools, a lot of hot rods, which I'm into, a lot of muscle cars. I like to call them urban hood classics. We'll figure that part out.
Yeah.
Hood classics. But we're going to take an opportunity to do cool stuff. In this channel, we're just two young guys who are passionate about cars, who grew up around cars, but who also want to take the opportunity to learn, meet people, build some stuff, put together some projects, have a little fun, drink a beer or two, depending on, what the wife allows. And we're going to have some fun here. This will be a fun channel. It'll be a great opportunity for us. And if you're into that, you're looking for a safe space, you're in the right place. And behind us is kind of one of the stars of the show. Taylor, do you want to tell more about what we're standing in front of?
So this is a Porsche 996. I have a very, I wouldn't call it beat up.
No.
But I have a project. Came with no engine or training. We'll be trying to get it back to essentially this shape right here. So this is a pristine example for us to, use as our inspiration.
Definitely inspiration. You guys will get a chance to see the car, plenty of the car here in the coming days. We're going to shoot a lot of footage of the vehicle, take you around it, show you what we're working on. You get to see me struggle because I'm not the most mechanically inclined. Taylor is significantly better at this than me. So if you're looking for some comedic relief, I'm your guy because I'm going to be here. We're going to make mistakes. And if you want to learn what not to do, tune in. But in the process of learning what not to do, just how we work on stuff, you learn what to do. So there's a lesson in all that. We're super excited to kickstart this thing. This museum is so awesome. They've been so hospitable. And we just look forward to sharing this journey with you guys. Taylor, got anything else you want to bring?
No, just look forward to the journey.